In this video, we're going to be talking about transversal lines, so let's get started. Alright, so when we have parallel lines, a pair of parallel lines, we know that parallel lines are two lines that will never intersect, no matter what. Right? Pair of parallel lines. And if we draw another line that intersects both lines, a pair of parallel lines, we call this line right here transversal. So if this line was called line AB, we would say that line AB is transversal. So now we're going to talk about talk about the angles formed by of transversal lines. So this angle right here, assuming this is angle X, and this angle right here is angle Y, X plus Y is equal to 180 degrees. And this is clearly visible because X plus Y forms a straight line, and this angle, X plus Y, is 180 degrees. Now, we obviously know that vertical angles are equal, so I'm going to put an X over here. This is obviously X, and this is obviously Y. And Y plus X plus Y plus X is equal to 360 degrees. In other words, 2Y plus 2X is 360 degrees. Now, 2y plus 2x, 360 degrees. These two are equal to this. Now, in transversals, if this is a setup on top, on the bottom, we have the same exact thing. So this is x, and this is y. Angle here, this is y, and right here we have x. And the same thing here, we have 2x plus 2y equals 180. And of course, not 180, 360 degrees. Because a circle, 360 degrees. So these four angles combine 360, and y plus x is 180 degrees. In other words, if we add y plus x and x plus y, 180 plus 180 is 360. Those are the angles inside a transversal line. I'm going to give an example here how we can find angles in a transversal by just knowing one angle in the entire transversal. And we're going to find that out by solving a problem. So let's say we have an angle here which is, it's clearly acute, so I'm going to put 60 degrees. Now, if this angle is 60 degrees, that means, and this angle, let's just assume this angle is n. 60 plus n is going to be 180 degrees, since this is a straight line. So if we solve this equation, well, n is just 120 degrees. So that's going to be 120. And that means it's going to be 120. And that means it's going to be 120. I mean, not 120, it's going to be 60 degrees because vertical angles are equal. And down here we have the same thing. These two are going to be the same. This is going to be 60. Now, this is 60, this has to be 120. Vertical angles are equal. So now, and we can test this by doing what we did over there. We can do 120 times 2, which is 240, plus 60 times 2, 120, is 360. So this obviously works, and that's our answer. In the middle. Alright. So, that's an introduction to transversal lines. Hopefully this video was helpful, and yeah.